Introducing MIRA Safety's Decontamination Wipes, your fast, safe, and ready-to-use solution for chemical and radiological decontamination on the spot. These wipes represent MIRA Safety's newest addition to the personal decontamination category. They're individually packed, have a 5-year shelf life, they're safe for skin, equipment, and are ready to go at a moment's notice. It's constructed from a non-woven material for strong cleaning action. There's no premixing required, no training, no chemical activation. It's just ready to go at a moment's notice. It's temperature stable and has a 5-year shelf life. It neutralizes and absorbs any chemical contaminants or hazardous substances, and it works on contact, so it starts right away. It's EU Medical Device Class 1 classification, which means in layman's term, it's safe for skin. Any equipment that you have, including sensitive equipment like laptops, your cell phone, really anything you got like that, as well as hard surfaces. Just start wiping, and it'll start decontaminating. It's non-toxic, non-corrosive, non-flammable, and environmentally friendly for all you tree huggers out there. It's designed for things like emergency chemical exposure, such as some industrial accident happens nearby and you need to decontaminate. It's safe for you or first responders to use on the spot. Another great use case is radioactive particles. Everyone's worried about fallout, so if you find yourself in one of those scenarios, we recommend Decon wipes just for that scenario. Other categories that this would fall into are things like military and law enforcement, laboratory environments, or just good old home preparedness. So the wipes are super easy to use. Got this mask here, clearly contaminated, just terrible, dirty. And I think that's everything we got. So all you do now, take your decontamination wipes, tear off the top like so. It comes in one single sheet. You got a pretty decent size here. All you do at this point is take your surface that you want to clean or decontaminate, and you just begin to wipe. And that's pretty much it. Really simple, as we said, no training needed. And just like that, we're done. So there you have it. MIRA Safety's Decon wipes bring professional grade chemical and radiological decontamination for anyone who needs fast, safe, and reliable cleanup capabilities. And they're great for your kit. Thanks for watching. You can visit our website for the lowdown on more decontamination products, and of course, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.